I was born and brought up in Fatehpur in a vegetarian family. So every time I had to eat protein, it would either be paneer or it would be dal. There are section of protein that was missing in my life. So my mother started feeding me Nutrela, the soya chunks. One of my tiffin boxes would used to have Nutrela and chana dal pulao. Sometimes it would stuffed paratha. My dad would love Nutrela granule ki sabzi. So Nutrela soya became my source of protein with any other vegetable starch grain that you can think of. So well, I'm here today and I am not a kid anymore, but I am a grown up chef and I still love eating my soya. So welcome to Nutrela Healthy Kitchen. I am going to cook my soya chunk today. So we are talking about iconic brand 30 years plus. We are the ones to introduce the soya culture in a country. Now it found in every household. People have their own recipes. If I went online today and I asked ladies, give me your soya recipe. There would be like millions of recipes. Well, I am here because I want to teach you how to cook soya chunks. So let's start this amazing journey introducing you the three variants of Nutrela soya brand. We have soya chunks, we have mini chunks, and we have granules. But I'm going to cook my favorite, and I am going to tell you, how to cook them to the perfect. So after today, I don't want any complaints. Oh, my soya is overcooked. Should I cook it or not? How should I cook it? All these queries will be cleared right here. So, you noticed it is packed nicely. It has the outer covering as well to protect it. So, all the instructions that I'm going to give you are all behind the pack. You can easily follow them, read them while boiling them. These chunks, it will have a nice soft texture. The texture that let me tell, it is purely vegetarian. Some people think, is this meaty? Is this meat? No, it is pure vegetarian. It's soya, it's got 52% of protein. Dal will give you 9 gram and egg will give you 30 gram protein and paneer will give you 10 to 20 depending on what quality of paneer you are having. It is far higher than any protein content. I'm going to teach you many more recipes which are also kids friendly. So, if you want to introduce soya chunk in your diet in the very beginning, it will help you guys. I'm going to keep doing recipes with soya. I'm going to make sure your meals are more balanced and have enough protein in them. It's a very versatile ingredient. Very well with all your meals give you protein. It is healthy. Well, cooking the soya is just the beginning. Possibilities are endless. If you have any queries, if you have any questions, do comment.